The condition of your hair will determine the quality of the curls. So if your hair is not properly conditioned, undernourished, do not expect your styling products to perform. The curl rehab service at the Silkout Bar is designed as a corrective conditioning treatment first, and then we clean off any split ends so that your curls can perform its best. No sense of holding on to split ends and then wonder why your hair is tangling, knotting, and frizzing. After we do the shape up, we re-rinse the hair and we proceed to discover the curl. For some clients, it's their first time discovering their curl and how it's going to perform. And so we have an array of products, and today I'm using a new product that's launching soon. And baby, look at this, okay? So we've layered some leave-in conditioner, our styling foam, and this final product here is, I'm gonna just let you guys see what it does. Look at it. Look at it. I cannot wait to share this product, but this is the finished result. So she has more nourished curls, a lot more definition, and look at it. Beautiful. Book your curl rehab.